WeTransfer is an absolutely amazing software that you can use for free for files up to 2 gigabytes. And it's a really, really good, very simple, and you get notifications and things as well, which is awesome. So if you go to wetransfer.com, and then you select your files, individual files, or you can select an entire folder. So I'm going to go for folder here, personal development, just going to send that. Okay. And I'm going to email that. That's the address I'm emailing it to. And that's the email address that it's sending it from. And then here's the message. So you just pop in your message here, like here are the files you requested, or whatever else you want to pop in there. It's all there, just check. Yep, 6 files in the folder. Sending it to from message transfer. Verify your email. So I'll just do that a second. I'll be back. So once you find your verification email, then just click verify once you put the code in, and then you'll see that the files are transferring. And it's done. So the link will be available to the recipient for 7 days. If they haven't opened it by day 6, I suggest you would just give them a call, drop them an email and say, this is waiting for you. You'll also get an email in your account to say that the files have been sent, and they will get an email at the same time to say there's files for you to view. And that's really it. It's so simple. And you can create your own free account so that you don't have to verify your email every time you use the system. Okay, all right. So let's have a look at that, shall we, while we're here? Let's see. Yeah, so just complete all of them. Yep, so add in your password and agree to terms. And if you want to receive product news from WeTransfer, then obviously let's do that as well. In my case, I don't, because I end up with too much in my spam. And then job done. Okay, and as you can see, I use an email safety password area called LastPass, so that's where I keep all my email all my passwords safe and sound. Okay, I think that's everything then.